I've been all in my phone, I got options.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, this is your first time, we welcome you. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you guys are a returning subscriber, what it do, bestie? So today's video is a highly requested video. A lot of people have been asking me, can you show me how to do your makeup? Can you show me how to do your makeup? So this is me showing you guys exactly how I do my natural soft beats. In this video, I'm just gonna be basically giving you guys a play-by-play on exactly what I do, my little makeup hacks that I also use, and you know, just showing you guys exactly what products are in my makeup routine as of this day. I am elevating because I did come a long way. Some things aren't perfect, like I don't use the makeup brushes that I'm supposed to use for the correct things, but it gets the job done. So if you guys want to, you know, find out what works for you, that is definitely okay. You're not a professional makeup artist, so you can just, you know, do what makes you happy. As long as it works and as long as it looks good, that's all that matters. If you guys, you know, have any recommendations for me, or you feel like I should have done something differently, you can also leave me constructive criticism. I'm also open to that. But welcome to the channel. If you guys love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel to join the family, period. Our family is growing. I did notice a couple of subscribers, so all my new subscribers, hey. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just go ahead and keep watching the rest of the video. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. So I am using a dark brown pencil. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. As you can see, I do use my pencils, okay? I usually just outline the bottom first. I also outline the top, and then I go ahead and upward strokes. I usually just fill it in a little bit, and then I use my brush, and then I go ahead and shade it in. But I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side now. Okay, my brush been through a lot, but don't watch that. So I'm gonna be using this brush, and I'm gonna use the brushy part, and I'm gonna go ahead and fade in the front to just give it that ombre effect. I'm gonna brush the hairs in an upward motion just to give it a more, you know, clean look. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn with a flat brush. And I'm going to go ahead and line under my eyebrows. That's how blessings upon me, and that's how I'm gonna give him the top. I'm in the light. Jano to my person ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. So I'm gonna be just basically doing the same thing to the other side. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and prime our face. So I'm gonna go ahead with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my face. So a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need to apply that much. So I applied it to my two cheeks, my forehead, my chin, around my problem areas, because I don't know if I'm the only one, like around right here, usually gets a little oily and in between my nose because they don't have no respect for me. Facts. All right, boom. So when I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So I have a couple of foundations that I use. I use this one. I remember the backstory with this one. I used this one when I was in Florida, and I was so broke, y'all. Like, but I wanted to look like a hot girl, period. So I went to the beauty supply store, and I'm like, yo, let me see if I could pick me up a cheap foundation. Pick this up, and this has been my holy freaking grail. Like, the finish with this foundation is so matte. It makes everything look so beautiful, like well put together. So I have this foundation here, the HD Flawless, and then I have my NYX. I also have a NARS, but that's almost finished, just like this one, basically. But this one is the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. So what you do is, like, you squeeze the top, and then you just apply the foundation. In 2023, we only using damp beauty blenders out here. So what you'll do is you get your beauty blender, you use some finishing spray or setting spray, and you spray it on there, and then you start patting in your foundation. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline exactly how I want my concealer to blend. I don't like a lot of concealer on my chin, so I'm not gonna apply that much. This is my favorite brush to do this with, so I got this brush from Eco Sanctuary. You can get this brush at like Walmart. You can get this brush at Walgreens. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and tap in that concealer. Okay, so basically you're gonna start at the bottom, just like what I did with the other side. You're gonna start at the bottom, shade in the bottom first, and then you're gonna move your way up to the top, closer to the eyes. So next I'm gonna go in with my Black Opal True Color foundation stick, and I'm gonna use this as a contour. So this is how it looks. This is the shade Mocha. You know, I never used to contour because I was always scared. I was always scared to contour. But honestly, contouring, y'all know what y'all was doing with this one. Okay, so next, after I lined exactly where I wanted to add my contour, I'm gonna go ahead with my brush and I'm gonna blot this in. So I'm gonna push it into my skin. Tapping motions only. Okay, so next, what I like to do, some people like to go in and apply their setting powder with a beauty blender. I like to go in and apply it with a brush. I don't know why, I'm just so obsessed. Like, I use all these brushes for like the wrong things, but they work out. So I have the Revolution banana powder, so I'm gonna be going in and setting that concealer that we just applied under our eyes. Okay, so after I apply my setting powder, I'm gonna go in with my NYX matte bronzer. And I'm gonna go in and just warm up my face a little bit.
If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, might be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, risky, I'm the lowest of the lowest. Maybe if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows. I need you to get the fuck on my space.
Now with that setting powder that we added under our eyes, we're gonna go ahead and press that into our skin instead of rubbing it off. We do not want to rub it off. We want to give that, you know, bright under eye type of look. So we're gonna press that into our skin. You get me? Period. Okay, so next on the list, I have a little hack that I do. I'm pretty sure the girls who do makeup already know about this hack, but I use my bronzer and I use that as like an eyeshadow to give that little soft, neutral type of eyeshadow. I'll show you guys right now. So you want to apply that in circular motion and you want to add it lightly. Not that much, just one dab and then that's it. So remember, one dab and then you're gonna fill in the top of your eyebrows, like right underneath your eyebrows. After that, you're gonna go in with a couple more dabs. So next we're gonna do our lips. So what I do is I usually take that same pencil and I'm gonna line my lips.
I don't really like to get it poppin', but these in my business got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I'm screaming, but outside I keep it quiet.
After I've lined my lips, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Maple Blonde. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip gloss. After I do that, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Palace lip gloss in the color Sissy, and I'm gonna apply that right on top of it. Okay, so I purchased these lashes from Shein, and like, whoever's sleeping on Shein's lashes is crazy right now. Like, look at this. So good. Like, so anyway, we're gonna be applying our lashes now. I'm gonna be using my duo glue. I usually use hair glue. I feel like that works better for me. I don't know, but I'm gonna use this duo glue because this is all I have today, and we're gonna apply our lashes. I personally don't like duo glue because it's just too runny. I hate. As of right now, this is what we got going on. As I let my eyelash glue dry off, I'm gonna take my NYX Strobe of Genius illuminating palette and I'm gonna apply some highlight under my eyebrows to give it a more, you know, dramatic effect. So I'm gonna take my square brush and I'm gonna go ahead and tap some, and I'm gonna just pass it under my eyebrows to give it a little bit of highlight. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. If you don't have this palette, you can also use the glitter. If your palette comes with glitter, you can also use that too, like a glitter shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this process with these eyelashes. I'm gonna go ahead and fan this, and we're gonna apply it. Lash, no lash, lash, no lash. Okay, y'all. Nah, the look is coming together. Like, what? Like, when you're almost done and you see your face, you be like, damn, like, I forgot to do the makeup. So right now, I'm gonna just apply. Let me tell y'all what I'm applying. I'm gonna apply my Great Lash mascara. So I'm gonna apply this just a little bit under, because I have my contacts on and I don't want this to get in my eye, but just a little bit under my top lashes. Just so we don't look crazy. And then I'm gonna apply the rest of my bottom lashes. So when you do the mascara, you want to swipe it left to right and then comb it forward. So we're gonna swipe left and right, swipe, next what we're gonna do, once that is finished, we're gonna take that same Genius palette, the illuminating palette, and we're gonna take the same shade that we used to line under our eyes, and we're gonna put that on our nose. You're gonna put that on your nose, girl. You're gonna give it some highlight, and then you're gonna do a little bit in between your eyes. You see the different effect that that gives? Like, seriously, like, what? I'm not a highlight girl, so I'm not gonna add any highlight. I'm pretty much done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my NYX matte finish setting spray, and I'm gonna set this face. Okay. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So this is the look. What do you guys think? Even though I hate when I do makeup and my mold don't show, I could give myself a mold, but I'd be like, nah. Matter of fact, let's do it to see how it looks, because I actually have a beauty mark. Let's see. Period. Nah. So I gave myself a beauty mark. What you guys think? Period. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. This is my soft girl, soft be natural look. If you guys like this look, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If it's something that you think that I should change, you can always let me know. I'm always open to criticism. If there's something that you recommend for me to try, you can always let me know that as well. But this is pretty much it, you guys. I need total confidential private. No one knows thinking I'm a girl, babe. I'm so serious that we on the first class. Work my nerves, you know I can move. If you guys want to see more videos from me, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video.